So guys, I'm discuss very important topic. This will be using for so many peoples. How we can making for free WordPress websites. How many websites will be providing for free WordPress hosting will be given. First of all, they're providing for WordPress.com. The lot of website will be given free WordPress hosting. Here, each website they give the space for 3 GB space in the particular WordPress.com. We can make it n number of website. N number of website. This is the first one. Coming to the second website, we'll go to here. Profreehost.com. In the particular website, we can give the free WordPress hosting. Unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL database, easy control panel. So here, register with the complete login will be given. No forced ads, uptime, subdomains, hidden cost, and 100% free for the particular WordPress hosting. Just log in and create your account will be here, making a free WordPress website. Just we can sign up your account by register and everything. Here they not give any particular form option. Futures will be given here. Check the all futures option. This is completely WordPress free website in this. So everything will be given in the particular option. You can making for free WordPress website using this application for profreehost.com. In this particular website, you can register to making a free WordPress website. Next, third website. We go for third, Cloud Access. In this, we can use this website here. So here also they are providing for free WordPress hosting option. Here Joomla, everything will be given here. Enjoy free hosting for 30 days. They give only for free for how many days? Up to 30 days. This website. Cloudaccess.net, WordPress, freehosting.html. Next, here 100% Joomla WordPress hosting launch instantly here. They will be call option will be here. The particular option will be here in the particular 30 days. Free hosting in WordPress, particular launching one website will be free, 500 MB space and 1 GB for particular RAM access. Next, we can go to the next website. Now, is one more website, accowebhosting.com. In this, they're providing for free WordPress hosting here. Here, everything will be here. No credit card required. To learn more, the particular option we can making for free WordPress hosting. Use this website to making a free WordPress option. And one more thing, guys, what are the updates are and give the website link. Everything will be there. Option will be called skill2digital.com and our YouTube channel will be there. Digital Action and Skill to Digital web in the YouTube channel will be there. All videos are available and the links will be also available. So we can subscribe our channel and use our videos to enter will be supporting for particular channel option. Here, Skill to Digital. Please subscribe our channel, watch more videos. Any further assistance, please ping me on my particular comment box or particular my website contact function. To learn everything will be here in the particular website and the YouTube channel. To like, share and subscribe my channels on the particular YouTubers. Now, I'm showing another website in a free WordPress. Just I'm showing here. Now, here by.host. They are also providing for free hosting for WordPress. Sign up for free hosting. So we can use this hosting to making a website will be in a WordPress platform. And next website. So here we can go to option will be here. awardspace.com/free hosting. This website also will give the free hosting to make a particular website in WordPress using for free hosting. So this will be supporting for other hosting also, but most of the I'm looking for this website will be supporting for free WordPress hosting. Every list will be there. My website skill2digital.com. Next website. Here 10x particular hosting will be given free WordPress hosting, cloud hosting that free and unlimited here. This also will be given free WordPress hosting option. So this also will be using this website for making a free WordPress purpose. And next website, free hosting node.nets. The particular will be here. Free hosting will be here. They will be support on the particular website to making a WordPress also. Just you can sign up, activate your free WordPress hosting and WordPress website. And next website, coming to the point, freehosting.com, and the weekend providing for free hosting website. Here will be used to making a free website using platform for WordPress. And coming to next website, go to this infinityfree.net. This also will be free hosting for WordPress to making a website. So just you can sign up and start the making a website based on the knowledge to apply the theme and start your free WordPress website. And next website, coming to the point here, freehostia.com. These are also providing for free hosting to making a free WordPress. Just sign up, 250 disk space and 10 MB MySQL storage, 3 email accounts here. How many website will be host? 5 hosted domain will be host in the particular plan will be there. Just log in and access your account by using WordPress platform. Another website here, that is will be 100webspace.com. They're providing for free hosting on the particular hosting platform by using WordPress. And in the all website, most of the people using for WordPress.com and profreehost.com to making a most of the people very interested to making a free WordPress website. Here, these all website will be providing for free WordPress hosting. Last one will be here 000webhost.com. These all website to making a free WordPress website, zero payment on the particular website. Some website providing for 3 months, some website will providing for lifetime free WordPress website. Some website will providing for only for 1 year. They're providing for free hosting for WordPress. Next step will be charging for general amount for hosting charge and the particular domain charges. Some domains will be give the .com, some domains will be given for the, some extension will be given. WordPress.com. .wordpress.com is compulsory will be give extension. Profreehost.com. They give some other extension will be given, not give the proper .com, they give some extension. But they will completely free for WordPress, hosting will be lifetime. Or depend on your options, they're changing the plan also. Here they right now they give the plan free web hosting with unlimited disk space and bandwidth here. They not give any particular price on the particular profreehost.com. And if it is suppose you can making for e-commerce website also in the particular using this option by using the price option. So guys, what are the websites you can creating free WordPress? We can use this website. Most of the people using for free WordPress, profreehost.com or wordpress.com we can use to making a free WordPress websites. Use and make it your own website. All the best. For the any supposed how to making a video on the particular WordPress, I'll upload the next further class to upload the videos. And for the any assistance required, please ping me on my particular YouTube comment box. I will assist you how you can make the particular WordPress website. I will support also. Thank you guys. Please subscribe any newcomers for my channels, and you can watch my videos on my website skill2digital.com. Channels will be Digital Agash and Skill2Digital. Skill2Digital will be teach from Telugu, Hindi, English. Now we will start the channel. In the future, will be teach by the Telugu and Hindi also. They will support for the every particular options.